So just shared a little video about fossilized tree stumps and how mountains very much could be fossilized trees, or at least some of them could be. These were giant trees, so you might be wondering, how did giant trees exist? Well, if you know or follow my page, or you're into Tartaria, or you're aware of our true history, giants did exist. So it's very possible, like people talk about the dinosaurs. If the dinosaurs were real, it's very possible that they were literally just giant lizards and bugs. And it's possible that everything and everyone on this earth was a lot bigger than it is now. It's possible that we were the giants and that we just all were a lot bigger. We were a bigger race, and the bugs and the animals were bigger, and also the trees were bigger. And now we've just kind of shrunk in size, or there's been a new race of beings since the floods. So, what's interesting is we're all becoming aware of permaculture again. And if you see the size of certain fruits that people are growing and certain vegetables because of permaculture, which is basically using copper or precious metals and crystals to amplify and charge the fruit, the plants, the vegetables that are being grown to make them like 10 times the size as what they are. This is just the beginning of what we can discover, and we're scratching just the surface of it. It's very possible that in the future we'll be growing fruit that's 30 times the size of what it is. Giant fruit. James and the Giant Peach, that movie? What if it's actually, from somewhere, these giant fruits? And what if when we eat these giant fruits, it programs our DNA to start growing us into giants as well? It's very possible, you are what you eat, you become what you consume. What if we start growing all these giant foods and we start growing into giants again? And like, there are different species of being, interdimensional species that are much bigger than us. It's just not outside the realms of possibility.